Hello people, Andy here. We're down at Ludden, fishing near the bridge. See if we can get a food bream and what else that turns up. See what we get. Well, we're fishing away folks. I just had one bite but I missed it. So hopefully we'll have a few fish tonight. Starting to cool down a bit. It's been boiling hot, it's been 30 all day here on the Norfolk Broads. But it's nice now, sun's just dropping down. Bring on the bream. I'm just fishing amongst all the boats down at Ludden. So hopefully we'll have a fish or two. Even so, it's a lovely night to be out on the Broads. Oh, here we go. Come on. What? Missed it again. That was a good bite, and I keep missing them. Oh, that was a really good bite, folks. But somehow I missed it. Right, we'll keep trying. Bring you back in a minute. Oh, folks, first fish. Oh, missed the perch. Nice little fish. There you go. We'll get him back. Catch you in a bit. Oh, we just had the one perch. We're still fishing away. You may recognise them two up there. Mr. and Mrs. Waterside. It's cooling down a bit now, so hopefully the fish will come on a bit. So I'm just going out. There you go, I smell. Yeah, been a lovely day. Still in the 20s now. Sun's nearly down. Another hour I reckon, and that'll be down. Just lovely to be out fishing. Right, hopefully bring you back with a fish. Well guys, it's about 30 minutes later from when I last spoke to you. Getting little finicky bites but no fish. Still only the one perch. Hopefully when it get a bit darker the bream might come round with a bit of luck. Still a lovely evening. Boat now coming along. Here we come. Someone on holiday. Barbecue on the back. Two little tenders. Lovely. Way to do it, isn't it? Right, hopefully I'll bring you back with a fish. Well folks, back with my first bream. Nice one. There you go. Get me big hands out of the way. There you go. Lovely fish. Whoop, he's gone. Right, I'll get him back. Catch you in a bit. Well folks, it's more or less dark. It don't look at so much on the camera, but it is. I'll put my light on, you see. Just had the perch and the skimmer there. Hopefully some of the more bream will be moving in as it gets darker. We'll keep trying for a little bit longer. Getting the odd bite, but you know, they're a bit finicky. I've had a couple of hooked and then they've come off. But yeah, they don't count until they're on the bank. Right, catch you in a bit. Well guys, second one of these I've had. Lovely slimy eels. Not bad size, give you a good fight, but not what you ideally want, are they? I'll catch you in a bit. Well guys, yet another eel, fair old size. Look at the size of that. Thought it was a good fish, but no, taking all my baits. Right, in a bit. Well, we're still fishing away. Had 4 eels now, a bream and a perch. I've changed baits now because every time I put a worm on I seem to get an eel, so I'll go on sweet corn on one, maggot on another, see if it make any difference. Try and get away from the eels. I'm getting knackered now. Right, catch you in a bit. Well guys, I've persevered and can't blind you with the light. Just had this other little roach. Whoop, come here, come here, come here. There we go, nice little roach. Lovely jubbly, I'll get him back in a bit. Well guys, eel number 5. It's a big old boy. Make some jellied eels out of that. Alright, I'll get him on the hook and get him away. Oh guys, surprise, surprise. It's Mr. Eel number 6.
On sweet corn.
On sweet corn, believe it or not. I come off worm and maggot because I was catching them on the sweet corn and they're still taking it. They must be hungry. Right, in a bit. Oh guys, it's 2:30. That last eel I had, it swallowed the hook right the way down its body, so I couldn't get it out, so I had to let it go like that and pack that rod up. I'm down to 1 rod now. The moon's now coming up over there. Over in the distance, just coming up above the boat shed. 3/4 moon by the looks of it. It's a lovely night, still as anything. No wind at all. Oh, about 6 eels, a roach, perch, a bream, well, a skimmer. Yeah, so it's been pretty good. Hopefully we can winkle one more out before I go. Yeah, been a lovely evening. Right, catch you in a bit. Oh, folks, all packed up. Had a good night. It's nearly 1 o'clock in the morning, so gonna head home. Right, thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.